3:18 a.m. right now. I actually just took these trades last night prior to going to bed. I got a Euro GBP. We sold here, letting that thing run. GA, still kind of playing around the entry point. And then I got a GBP NZD that's really going. This is my most favorite one. This one really played out. Floating $8,400 right now, $8,600 right now on the charts. And all these trades were given for free. So like, bro, I literally just got up out of bed 3 a.m. to show you guys what's possible. Literally my boxers right now. I can't show you that, but yo, at the end of the day, it's just like we do this in real life. And whether it's 8,000 while sleeping or whether it's giving free trades and making money, there's so much value in the TradeStar live room. And there's only going to be more and more and more and more value. So we're up. Price is pulling back a little bit, but we're up very nicely. Right about $7,700, $8,000. We'll just see price push up one more time. Maybe we'll get out somewhere up here. This is my live account, trading with Nash. These trades are all looking so beautiful. But when it comes down to it, guys, yesterday I went live in the lobby area in the group, right? And I gave out these trades, TradeStar Mastermind. I gave out this Euro GBP, and I gave out this GN here in the chat beforehand. I gave out GA while we were in the thing. And we started taking these trades, told them we'll see them during London. Now I'm posting the profits. The results are good. Look at some of the people in the chat, right? Already, Dr. Sunny, this man's up 3 racks. And this person took both trades up $729. Like, come on, guys. Like, it's intense. It's insane.
What's going on, family? This is going to be another breakdown on how we made a little bit over $8,000 taking the trades last night in our free Discord channel, right? And I'm really excited about it. We'll put some screenshots in and you guys will be able to see the trades and all the good stuff. So we took 2 trades. We took a trade on GBP NZD and we took a Euro GBP. We took a GA as well. And then all the members were in the chat seeing a lot of results. Real quick, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change this to our Discord. So this is going to be our TradeStar Discord. And then as you guys can see, we took a Euro GBP sell, super sniper entry. This person took another re-entry on Euro GBP. Let's keep it going. This person made 1,600 on GBP NZD. This person made 1,900 on Euro GBP. Amazing, beautiful. This person made $408. This person caught a nice sniper on EG. This person caught a GN trade. This person made about $500, let's say. This person made a little bit over $935, right? Just simply following along. This person here made 500 on this trade, 400 on this trade, 395 on that trade. Beautiful. This person made 729. This person made 3,000. This person made 7,000. Super, super dope, right? Now, that's 100% free right now in our Discord channel, right? Right now, the Discord is for free. If you guys are watching this, it is free. I don't know how long it's going to be for free, but for right now, it is for free. So if it's free, give me 3. But yo, corny jokes aside, let's talk about this. So this was GBP NZD. GBP NZD gave us like 80, 90 plus pips. This is a trade that we correlated with the higher time frame and the lower time frame. First key thing when it came down to GBP NZD was looking at the overall structure in the market from here to here, from here to there, from there to there. We were trending up. We broke structure here. Now we're bearish. And then we started trading. We had a minor breaks of structure there. And then we came through and we broke this high, right? So we did that. The thought process that we had was, hey, this is our trading range from this low to this high. And we're trading between this range here, right? Now that's happened, if we zoom in, what do we see is we see that there was this last candle down before this big move up. This is a key component in price. We measured this candle. And then what we did is we started scaling into the lower time frame to look for entry opportunities. Because off the higher time frame, the stop on this opportunity was going to be very high. We wanted to see this thing swing. Didn't really give us the swing we wanted, but we caught a nice intraday position off of it. So now let's say we start scaling to the lower time frame. And what I realized, we started creating a very nice channel to the downside. And in regards to it, when I went to the lower time frame, what we noticed was that price was wedging, and then we had one spike down into the discounted range, right? Because this is our premium, this is our discount. We had one spike down into the discount, and then we went long, right? So in regards to this trade, we got in roughly right around here, right? We had a stop, and then price came through. We had a nice rally for about 90 plus pips, like we had mentioned. Now, price then ended up pulling back. It gave another entry out as well. I know a lot of people took this entry as well. That gave like a nice 50, 60 pip push off of this level here. It's roughly about that. Came back into this candle, and then we consolidated. It gave one more push during New York. But overall, this was a quick intraday trade off of London session. Now, guys, coming out of Asia range, if you see these types of channels forming, you can not necessarily predict, but you can say, hey, if it spikes in one direction, more than likely they're faking everyone out to move price in the opposite direction, right? So it's going to be your job to gain market IQ and start hitting on those, right? But price went down, pulled back, and then we were up. And then we took another trade on the Euro GBP. I really like this Euro GBP super fire trade. I circled where we got in, but same thing, starting off on the higher time frame on Euro GBP. I saw that overall, my perspective was price is bearish based on this range. This is the high, this is the low, this is the range, and what we're trading in, right? I seen that there is this point of interest candle right here. And obviously, we want the most optimal entries, whatever the case might be. But for this one specifically, we scaled into the lower time frame. We had this wick here. I don't know if you guys can see, but this wick here actually goes above this previous wick here. So that wick there actually was the highest one that went above that before a big shift in direction. Price pulled back. It came right back into that range, that zone. Overall, this was holding up. I had another pending order set up here at that 50% because that's where I really like to get in. But it didn't necessarily come back, so we didn't scale in. I had 11 lots on this trade. It was like a 6 lot and then a 5 lot. This thing went down pretty smoothly, consistently too. It went straight down for about 37 pips. Now, that might not seem like a huge amount, but if you're properly managing your risk, Euro GBP, this was only a 10 pip stop. In regards to the potential lot to be used, it was pretty good. I ended up getting out of this trade, not at the low. I ended up off of this bullish candle retracing. I ended up getting out somewhere in here. It was like somewhere in this range. But nonetheless, a good little risk to reward trade. Not everything has to go 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 30, 2 pip stop. Like, bro, at the end of the day, if you could step foot up on the charts and you can make some type of money and do that consistently, you don't have to have the best ratios and the best statistics and the best of the things. Don't let the social media shit fool you. People that catch these 1 to 20s or 1 to 10s or 1 to whatever, they make it look like they're doing it all the time. In reality, they're probably losing 3 or 4 trades before they hit that one trade. And don't get me wrong, they still hit it. But at the end of the day, it's just like consistently being able to do that. It's not to say it's impossible. It's very possible, but it's going to take time for you to get to that level. You're going to have to dedicate a lot of time. So in the meantime, if you can get to the point you're catching a 1 to 2, a 1 to 3, a 1 to 4, something like that every session, the probabilities are going to be so highly in your favor. Because, you know, at the end of the day, you got to think, if you flip a coin 10 times, there's a 50-50 chance that 5 of the times lands on heads and 5 land on tails, right? So factor it in with like a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Even better, factor it in on a 1 to 2 risk to reward, right? Just think about the simple math. You win 5 trades, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10%, you're up. You lose 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 5, you're up 5%. And that's if you're at a 50-50 win-loss ratio. Factor in if you're at a 60-40 win-loss ratio, you're losing 60% of the trades, you're winning 4%. Your 4 wins, 2, 4, 6, 8, 8%. Your 6 losses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 minus 8, you're still up 2%. So the probability in the sense of how you want to look at it is, even if you're not consistent in your win to loss ratio of how many times you're taking a position or flipping the coin in that example, as long as you're going for risk to reward ratios that are at least 1 to 2, 1 to 3, even in a small spectrum, being profitable is easy. You just got to stick to it, right? But with that being said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. We showed you guys some people in the group making some profits in the trades. We don't make any income claims. We don't guarantee any results. But what we can guarantee is that you're going to be able to learn something and enjoy the experience when it comes down to TradeStar in the live room, right? So with that being said, family, we appreciate you. We love you. See you in the next video. I hope you guys got some value from this, and I'm really excited to make another one. Take it easy, guys.